Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on CapCut. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add beat in CapCut. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the CapCut app and select your video. Tap Add Audio and select Extracted. Select the video you want to add music from and tap Import Sound Only. Now tap the audio and go to Match Cut. As there are no high or low points in this audio clip, we need to add beats to help align our video. So play the song and add beats to the rhythm. To do so, tap Add Beat. You can also delete the beat. Hover over it and tap Delete Beat. When done, tap Check. Now adjust your photos or videos according to the beats. And that's how you add beat on CapCut. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.